Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below. It will help the channel grow. In this video, I'll show you how to apply for a Seabank credit loan step by step. By the way, if you haven't registered on Seabank yet, you can use this code when signing up and get 50 pesos bonus when you keep 1,000 pesos in your account for at least 3 days. Alright, let's get started. Open your Seabank app. On the homepage, look for Seabank Credit. Tap on Withdraw. As you can see, my account is eligible to borrow from 1,000 pesos up to 45,000 pesos. You can choose loan duration of 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. Once you select your desired loan amount, Seabank will show you these details: the monthly add-on interest, your monthly installment amount, and your payment due dates. Let's say I want to loan 45,000 pesos. Here's how the monthly installment look. In 3 months, interest rate is 2.95%, monthly installment of 16,327.50 pesos. Due dates are shown to here. In 6 months, same interest rate, 2.95%, monthly installment of 8,827.50 pesos. In 12 months, is still 2.95 interest, monthly installment of 5,077.50 pesos. At the bottom, you'll see the exact amount you will receive after deductions. In this case, I requested 45,000 pesos. Processing fee is free, but there is a documentary stamp or DST of 337.50 pesos as required by the Bureau of Internal Revenue (BIR). This DST applies to loan agreements to legally validate them. Once you confirm and submit, your loan will be disbursed directly to your Seabank account. Below that, don't forget to choose your loan purpose, like personal, emergency, education, or others. Click on Next. Then confirm loan withdrawal. Make sure to agree with the terms and conditions. And then click Confirm to proceed. And that's it. That's how easy it is to apply and withdraw a loan using Seabank Credit. If you have any questions or if there's something you'd like me to cover, just drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on future guides like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.